Alright guys, here at Skyway Classics today we have our 1978 Jeep CJ5. It is all metal body. You can see there those beautiful Ultra rims with BF Goodrich all-terrain tires. Chrome bumper. It has all LED lights. As you can see, the rear taillights there are LED. Has Flowmaster mufflers, chrome steps. And then as we make our way back around to the front, has a chrome grille, chrome bumper. You also see LED projected headlights. And then chrome hood latches there. This thing is absolutely beautiful for being a 1978. It does have that V8 in it, which we'll show you a little bit later. And we'll go ahead, get up in that thing and show you guys the interior. Normally in these videos I would open the door. We have the doors off, starting with these blue tropical seat protectors. Now these are custom fitted to these exact seats, and if you do not like them, we have the original black vinyl underneath. We'll go ahead and move on from there. You have a center console system here, and then the rear seat back here. It does come with the handles right here, and then it does have a chrome tilt steering wheel. You can see that with the actual wood, and then all those chrome accessories on the dashboard and the handle there. It is a billet mirror up here. All right, we transitioned from the turntable to up on the lift, so we can see the underneath. You can see those power front disc brakes there, and a quick disconnect sway bar end links there on both sides, so when you go rock crawling you can take those out. And then up underneath, the oil pan here, all new bushings, all new steering components. You can see there. Put that back on later. And I do have to correct myself. It is a Magnaflow muffler, not a Flowmaster. And you see the power drum in the rear there, the rear axle. The drive shaft does have an electronic fuel pump. New shocks all the way around, all four corners. Cool little chrome exhaust tip right there. So go ahead, kind of come around underneath as we always do in these videos, show you the floors. You can see those right there inside the fender wells, extremely clean. And as we make our way to the passenger side, same story. Clean up underneath there, and floors are in pretty good condition. So we'll go ahead and throw this thing on the ground and move on from there. All right, we are in the Jeep. We put the top on. You can see there everything inside of here. So let's go ahead and fire it up right away. Throw it in first here. And of course, this is not meant for speed, so it's a little different than most of the other videos that we have on our channel. But nonetheless, a great driver. Brakes are in great working condition. So I'll go ahead and throw this thing around, take it back to our parking spot, and show you guys the engine bay. Finally got it outside, and as I promised, we're gonna have the engine bay, this section here, with it running. There's some very nice headers on it. I hope you guys liked the video. If there's anything you want to see different in our videos, or if it's just a comment about the car, we appreciate anything, as well as please like our videos. You can find this car and many of our other cars we have here at Skyway Classics on our website at skywayclassics.com. Thanks for watching.